Hello everybody, and welcome back to another time-sticking YouTube video. My name is Jake. As always, I will be hosting today as we talk about the 2020 Seiko Prospex watch line. So stick with us through this intro, and we're going to be looking at this Alpinist cue that Seiko's been taking. Now, Seiko themselves carry a name that denotes either exquisiteness or success, depending on the translation. No matter the translation, Seiko is always releasing quality wares. Reaching back through their catalog of both watches and clocks, one can find generations of proud innovations and/or an evolution of timekeeping that has remained contemporary, no matter what era. From a bumpy start in the 19th century to a meteoric wristwatch rise in the last half of the 20th, Seiko has established an empire of watchmaking that patrons of all walks can find their niche in. One aspect of their brand that's relatively new is their series of sports-style wristwatches, including their Prospex and Alpinist lines. With their first sports watch releasing in 1959, Seiko took on shock resistance and water resistance at the same time as major Swiss watchmakers. Gaining a bit of a cult following from that point on, Seiko's sports watches remain affordable and often retain classic field watch designs. A 2020 release of Seiko's Prospex line is dropping models SPB123, SPB121, SPB119, and SPB117. These professional specification or Prospex watches are leaning heavily into the field watch look of Seiko's classic Alpinist series. However, Seiko is marketing them under their performance sports watch umbrella, with good reason. Each watch has a 200-meter water resistance, a hardy 70-hour power reserve 6R35 automatic movement, and an internal compass bezel, easily rotated via a second crown. Where the Alpinist line is a little bit older than the Prospex, the new Prospex are actually drawing a lot of inspiration from both the past and newer Seiko designs. The standout piece which exemplifies this hybrid, especially in looks, is SPB121. Its stunning green dial with gold markers, silver stainless steel case, and tobacco brown alligator band achieved the classic Alpinist look. While there are 3 other models in this series, the SPB121 tends to receive the most passionate adjectives and press regarding the overall look of each piece. Despite this, each model has its own unique layout and design, while staying on par with the overall hybrid aesthetic. SPB117 has a stainless steel oyster-style band and a black dial. SPB119 has a black band with white stitching and a silver dial. SPB123 rocks a unique olive green band, drawing from the SPB121 style, while retaining gold markers on a white dial. These beautiful hybridizations are upping the market value of the Prospex line with stellar style. There appears to be one for just about anyone's taste. Each of these new Prospex models are available here in 2020. And since the release is already upon us all, it's worth adding the new Alpinist-Inspired Prospex line to any collector's list. Their price is a bit higher than Prospex of old, but at under 1K, their solid, updated 6R35 movements alone are a steal of a deal. With Seiko's history of building both fashionable and performance-style watches exemplified in each piece, their timeless quality goes beyond the clever up-marketing strategy of Seiko's sales team. Blending decades of style and bolstering the Prospex line? Yes, please. Let's all look forward to getting a one-on-one with any one of these gems in the near future. The new Alpinist-inspired Seiko Prospex look pretty sweet to us. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. We always love to hear feedback about our subject. Wow, thanks again for watching our YouTube video today. If you've really enjoyed it, we actually have a couple more videos available just right here and right there. On top of that, our entire channel is at your disposal, and if you subscribe by clicking the link that's right next to me, we'll give you the latest update on our most recent videos. So, thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you again.